I state your name. Of your address. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws. Legal orders. And decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the criminology profession in the Philippines. And that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the responsibilities and obligation incumbent upon a legally authorized criminologist. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Honorable Corporal. And congratulations to all the criminologists.